everyone, today I'm going to create this beautiful eye look with the Lakme Absolute Infinite Eyeshadow Palette in Midnight Magic. I'm going to apply this eyeshadow guard. I will take this light pink shadow and apply it closer to my brow bone and above my crease. This will act as a transition shade. Next, I will take this dark pink shade and apply this into my socket. We are going to create a new crease line here. Creating a new crease line above your natural crease makes your eyes look bigger. I'm going to apply this eyeshadow into my socket, into this round shape parallel to my lash line. With the help of a fluffy brush, I'm going to blend the eyeshadow. Since we have applied the transition shade initially, we do not need to apply any more shade. We will just blend this to avoid any harsh lines. By doing so, we are going to get a nice smoky eye effect. Next, I will take this Lakme 95cc cream to cut my crease. With the help of this flat brush, I'm going to cut my crease. If you are seeing, I already have a crease, but I'm taking this above my natural crease line and cutting the crease. If you have hooded eyes, then this trick will make your eyes look even bigger. So once I've achieved the shape, I'm going to fill up my whole cut crease shape with the concealer. Take your time carefully. Once you have achieved the shape, just fill the concealer on the inner side of the crease. I'm going to wing this out and then pat the whole concealer to avoid any creases. Now we are ready to apply the shimmers. Now I'm going to take Amethyst shadow and apply it on the outer third of my crease. Now I will take Starry Sky and apply in the mid of my lid. Do not apply any shadow in the inner corner yet. Now I will take Lakme Absolute Shine line in shade black and create a winged liner. I'm going to create a thin line closer to my lash line. Next I will take Lakme Eyeconic Curling Mascara and apply few coats of mascara. Then I will take Lakme Absolute Gelato collection in Blackcurrant and apply in my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take this shade called Mysterious and apply it on the outer side of my inner lash line. And then I will take the same Amethyst shimmer and apply it into the mid of my lower lash line. And we will continue the same ombre effect and apply Starry Sky into my inner lash line. Then I will extend my wing inside to my lower lash line and to my inner corner, and then apply few coats of mascara to my lower lashes also. Then I will take Lakme Eyeconic Kajal in black and apply in my upper lash line. This instantly adds volume to your lashes as well. Next I'm going to take Lakme Absolute Highlighter palette and apply this pink shimmer to my brow bone and my inner corner as well. This completes the look and we are ready to party. So I hope you all enjoyed this look. We would love to see your recreations as well. We love you all. Stay safe. Bye guys.